Two Dogs back to you with another video. If you haven't hit that like, subscribe, or comment, go ahead and do that right now. We got my boys 5'7" in here. We got some some rotors and brake pads. Jeweled and slotted. Shout out R1Concepts. They gave me a fat deal. But we basically gonna get y'all installed on his rotors, his brake pads. You see, they're pretty bad, as you can see. He's been saying he's been having issues braking and whatnot, so his pads are pretty done. I'm gonna get these tires off and everything jacked up, and we're gonna go into the video. So here's the setup we're running. We got the ceramic brake pads in the rear, and then we got the these are the OE high ceramic brake pads, and then we got the hardware kit for the front and back. We got the drilled and slotted grommet rotors. Those are for the rear and those are for the front. I kind of started already, but let me get y'all set up. There's going to be 2 bolts. There should be one right here and one but the bottom of it. Sorry, I can't talk. One on the bottom of it, and basically just going to get those off. It's going to be a 3/4. Ratchet it off, pretty easy. 2 of them one at the bottom, one at the top. And once you get those, the calipers fall off. So I'm doing the rear right now. So once I'm done with that, I'll show y'all. So like I said, I used the 18 mil to get it off, and then I use a 3/4 to finish it off. But once you take that off, it should come right off. See the caliper right here. His rear brake pads aren't that bad. Gotta out these. Let's see. Should be able to pop right out. But his rear brake pads aren't that bad. I'll show a comparison of when I get them out. See, we got the new rotor right here. Put it on there. Make sure it goes snug on there. Might be loose, but basically this is going to keep it in place, the rotors or the caliper. So I'm gonna go grab these brake pads and we'll do a comparison. So as you can see, get some light. As you can see, these brake pads are definitely brand new. These ones are a little bit old. These are the ceramic pads, so we'll see if he gets any brake dust. Now I'm gonna show y'all how to install these. So you see he has his hardware kit in here. These should really just pop out. Should be able to just take that out. There's his let me close this door. Terrible lighting. There we go. And yeah, my knees are ashy. I'm working, A couple people been flaming me up for that. But see, I basically took his old hardware kit out. I'd say just grab a pair of these. I don't know. I've always done it. I think it's really good. Just read it before I put it on there. These look equivalent. What I just took off. So basically you just put them, bam, they just seat right in there. Just seat right in there. Brand new. Seat right in there, bam. So you want to grab this caliper, put this back over into here. This is gonna go like this. Gonna push right back into there. So you want to get the pads, and you basically just want to line this pads up with how it's gonna go in. That end is gonna go over there. Should all line up. pretty easy. So you push that out, bam. Look at that. Everything might not line up, you know, exactly how you want it. You might have to put a little elbow grease in it, nothing too hard. And basically, we put the other brake pad on there right now, and I'm gonna bolt it up, and I'll show you how it is. So a lot of people think you could just do brake rotors and, you know, calipers, whatever by itself, but you need a brake caliper. It pushes the piston in. If you can see over here, you probably can't, but when you take off your rotor, your caliper, this piston's gonna be out, so you need to be able to push that in. That's $10 at O'Reilly, and now I'm just gonna basically finish putting on the rotors, or the caliper. So I'm kind of working in a weird position, but basically there's gonna be 2 bolts right here on the back side of this caliper. I'll show you. I'm still trying to get it out. It is a 22 mil that you'll need to get the bolt out. The front ones are torqued, not entirely sure why. So what I did was I turned the wheel so that way I can get in there, but here's the bolt. It's a 22 mil. There's gonna be 2 of them. As soon as you do that, caliper. Oh, there it goes. Caliper should come right out. Also, be careful. You don't want to break the line. So the line is not coming out. I don't know if these are melted to them or what, but Jesus. I want to take this line off. Okay guys, sorry my camera ran out of data or memory. So you take those 2 bolts off, 22 mil, that'll pop off, the rotor will pop off. So I have to take off his brake line. As you can see, it's still leaking. His pads were so stuck on there that it was stuck on this. So I had to take the whole caliper off. As you can see, it wouldn't bite that. So I have to compress the caliper in and then basically be able to take that off. Don't be this guy. I'm gonna get a video putting it back on and y'all stay tuned. Okay guys, so I had a big mess. So first off, the bolt broke off on the back of the caliper, so I have to get a new one. This is the rotor. You just take the caliper off. The little squeegee right here seized up, so it broke the bolt. But all you have to do is just take that off, get a new bolt, and basically you put it into the hardware clips and it's just set in. And you put the new rotor on and it's just set in. Now I'm going to put the tires on. I didn't really get in depth to that one since it broke. Had to run to the store to grab some stuff, but grab some brake fluid and another bolt. As you can see, his was really, I don't know what the hell he was thinking, but look at the pads on this. So hopefully we can get some clips of us breaking in the brakes, and I'm gonna finish the other side. So as you can see, this caliper came off really, if I can zoom in. See, this caliper came off really easy. Obviously it didn't seize up, which is good. I'm just going to add the hardware kit to this one. Hardware kit on. There's the other one. So I have my brake caliper clamp closer, as I'd say. You just put it in there, loosen it up. Get you all able to see it. Probably can't see, I got terrible lighting in here. It's really easy. Put it in a caliper, pushes the piston in, Couple turns. Bam. Show y'all. So as you can see, you probably can't see, but you see how it pushes it in? That one's in, the other one's out. So I'm gonna get that in and then I'll get it recorded when we put the brake pads in. So that's the end of the video. I tried to get some good footage for y'all. Basically, this is a 16 Dodge Charger RT. Y'all seen this in some videos, first cat delete ever. But basically, these are drilled and slotted ceramic front OP pads, R1Concepts rotors, grommet rotors. I broke them, man. As you can see, they are smoking a little bit. You probably can't see it, but they are smoking. That's good. So I did 0 to 45 and I braked really hard. I did 45 to 60 and I braked at 60 really hard. Basically, they're broken in, but I have to also bleed the brakes too. The brakes are really easy to bleed. I basically have to take that one off. So I took it off, I pumped it 3 times, held it, got out here with a 10mm wrench and opened the bleeder valve out and it shot out straight fluid, so there's no air in the system. The car is ready to go. He's gonna come pick it up, but that's how you install rotors and brake pads on a Dodge Charger.